Le app lebitwa ngekuthi yi-Unit Trust app ithulwe ngalokusemthethweni namuhla emahhovisini aka-Old Mutual eMbabane. Lapho khona-ke amakhasimende sekangakhona ukuthenga-ke ama-investment products aka-Old Mutual ngaye-ke WhatsApp. Lokhu kusho ukuthi-ke abasadingi kuya-ke emabhrantshini bayogcwalisa wona-ke emafomu baphindze basayine. KaNembongeni waKaMkhabela lobekakade yamelele isihlalo we-Old Mutual uvetele-ke ukuthi bangu-Old Mutual bayade igcabha namuhla ngaloku lese bakutholile.
I would like to also extend our heartfelt gratitude, I think, to the team that has developed this tool for Old Mutual, and also our partners that help us and our customers as well, who are helping us in our journey to serve them. Just to also give a background in terms of our strategic journey. So we understand that we live in an era where technology is reshaping industries. I think there's an unprecedented pace. At Old Mutual Eswatini, we are committed to staying ahead of the curve. We also recognize the growing need for convenience, speed, and security in customer transactions.
Baka-Old Mutual bathi basatawuchubeka bente-ke nalokunye lokutawusita wona-ke makhasimende. Nginohlahla Thwala like Ndzabende channel eMaswati eMbabane.